Now let's start with the main part of respiration in humans. जब respiration होता है ना humans में, it has many steps to cover up or many parts to take care of. Means what? Example में तुम लोग को दे रही हूँ मैं कौन से parts की तरफ बात कर रही हूँ. I'm not talking about the body parts. I'm talking about the procedure part. मतलब कि अगर एक इंस्टीट्यूट को चलाना है तो हमको उसके लिए क्या लगेगा? टीचिंग स्टाफ लगेगा, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन लगेगा, फाइनेंस लगेगा. We need especially kids to enroll in the class. So in the same way, when respiration is going to take place in humans, we need the first part, that is breathing. Second part to be taken care here is mainly about gaseous exchange, or you can say transport. When we talk about the third part, it mainly is responsible for the tissue respiration, and the fourth part of respiration is cellular respiration. When we talk about each part of the respiration, that is breathing. Breathing is basically related to the mechanical act of taking the air inside and exhaling it outside. Means what? Again, start doing. This is inhalation. Let's not start studying in a way it should be done. Let's start doing it in the form of lecture. मैं एक भाषण दे के जाती हूँ. एक normal So when I'm exhaling, that is removing the air outside, is called exhalation. So this process of inhalation and exhalation of the air, that is oxygen inhalation, carbon dioxide exhalation, is a part of breathing of respiration. When it comes to gaseous transport or gaseous exchange, so exchange is what? When I am taking the oxygen inside, the lungs do not keep the oxygen only to themselves. They give oxygen to other parts of the body as well, to each and every organ of the body. But how the oxygen joins hands with hemoglobin and forms oxyhemoglobin to transport it to various parts of the body. When this carbon dioxide is exhaled out, it joins hand also with the hemoglobin, but a bad hemoglobin means what? Which is already lacking oxygen in it and it has combined with carbon dioxide. So that is also called as carboxyhemoglobin, which is exhaled out. Means what? In the end, the hemoglobin is freshened up with the oxygen and the carbon dioxide is delivered out. So this is called as gaseous exchange. Now what is tissue respiration? Tissue respiration is the process in which the capillaries transport the oxygen to each and every tissue of the body. Means what? हमारे जितने भी बॉडी में टिश्यूज है वो सब टिश्यू कुछ कैपिलरी से सप्लाइड है. तो जब ये कैपिलरीज के पास ब्लड जाता है, the blood is a pure blood which contains the oxygen in there. So in this way it gives the oxygen pure blood to all these tissues. याद रखिएगा. Clear. When we come to cellular respiration का main function is that the cells also participate in this respiration. So which cells participate? Basically the RBCs. हमारे red blood cells जो है वो they take up the oxygen and purify the blood which we need, and then it supplies to all the cells of the body. याद रहेगा ये कैसे 4 parts connected है एक दूसरे से. तो मतलब ब्रीदिंग फर्स्ट पार्ट क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने ऑक्सीजन अंदर लिया, फिर एक्सचेंज से मैंने अपने लंग्स के थ्रू दूसरे अपने एल्वियोलाई के थ्रू एक्सचेंज किया, ऑक्सीजन को अंदर डाला, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को बाहर निकाला। कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और ऑक्सीजन ने ये किया, हीमोग्लोबिन के साथ ज्वाइन किया। हीमोग्लोबिन को मैंने कार्बोक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन के साथ फॉर्म करके टिश्यू रेस्पिरेशन में सारे टिश्यूज को मैंने दिया विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैपिलरीज। ऑक्सीजन पहुंचाया, धीरे धीरे सारे सेल्स को, ईच एंड एवरी सेल ऑफ द बॉडी को ऑक्सीजन मिल गया। याद रहेगा पक्का? ओके। Now after this transport or after this exchange of gases, which main organs or which main system of the body takes place, takes participation in the respiration we are going to study? Means all the parts from starting from nose and ending to lungs or other organs we are going to study in a chronological order. Before that we are just going to write about the parts of respiration. Clear? Chalo, start writing about parts of respiration. Okay. Now when we start respiratory system, the parts of respiratory system. मस्ती करनी है और.
अरे मैंने क्या किया?
पूछ रही हूँ मैं आपको पूछा.
पीछे से
मस्ती करनी है और.
पीछे से
मस्ती करनी है और सबको 10-15 मिनट एक ब्रेक लेते हैं. मस्ती कर लो.
चलेगा.
मतलब किसको मस्ती करनी है हाथ जरा ऊपर करो. कितने अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, किसी को नहीं respiration. The parts of respiration start from first part, that is nose. So this is the first part, that is nose. तो जब ये nose को मैं close-up से देखती हूँ तो it somewhat looks like this. Okay? ये हमारा नाक है. Nose means नाक. बाहर के जो दो होल्स जैसे हमको दिखता है that is the nostril which is the left and right nostril. The space in between is. Guys, stop it. My lecture is getting disturbed. Nasal chamber. The nasal chamber is divided by nasal septum. It is being a nose, which is a part of your own body. The middle line inside also it divides as the nasal septum, and the space inside is called nasal chamber. जब nasal chamber के अंदर जब ये एयर आती है तो तुम लोग ने देखा होगा it also consists of few hairs, that is cilia kind of a product or a part. This cilia is the ciliated epithelium. This ciliated epithelium main function is to trap the foreign particles and to take the air, fresh air or the dust free air inside. जब ये nasal chamber से air अंदर जाती है, it has three functions. The first function being to warm up the air. What is the first function? To warm up the air. Why to warm up? Why to warm up? जब भी ही air pass on होती है, it is passed in a form of energy. Again, the two parts are rubbed, so heat energy is liberated. Hence, the air taken inside is warmed up indirectly because of the passing through it. Next, it is also moisted. Moisted means what? Air अंदर जाके थोड़ी moist हो जाती है. And the third and the last function is to trap the particles or to trap the larger particles or harmful particles by the cilia in the nasal chamber. याद रहेगा इतना. और एक काम है ये नाक का स्मेल करना. The hairs, the cilia which is present, they have sensory receptors on it, so it allows us to take the smell, any dirty smell or any good smell which Daksh is currently experiencing a dirty
अरे अभी कहीं अपनी डर्टी स्मेल
So it means what? Their cilia receptors, the sense receptors of the nasal chambers are very activated currently. ठीक है? Sure. Okay. Next part after the nose we see is pharynx. Now pharynx is a common passage for food and water. जब ये pharynx pass होता है, the air also passes through it and the food also passes through it, and it is also called as a windpipe and the food pipe का एक common passage है. लेकिन जब ये pharynx pass होता है, this pharynx is divided into two parts. Here. मतलब एक पार्ट जाएगा फूड पाइप के तरफ और एक दूसरा पाइप जाएगा विंड पाइप के तरफ. यहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ विंड पाइप के रिलेटेड बात कर रहे हैं. Hence the wind pipe is called as a trachea. So pharynx extends to form the trachea. जब ये pharynx पास होता है तो pharynx डिवाइड करता है खाने को और एयर को. तो खाना जब जाता है ईसोफेगस में, वो टाइम पे वो ट्रकिया का चेम्बर बंद कर देता है with the help of epiglottis. With the help of epiglottis. Epiglottis is a flap. So this flap closes the trachea. Hence the food only passes into the food. किसमें पास होगा? Esophagus में. That is the food pipe. अगर suppose ये incomplete बंद रहा हमारा esophagus, अरे हमारा ट्रकिया, तो क्या होगा? खाना थोड़ा ट्रकिया में चले जाएगा और अपने को आएगी खांसी. इसलिए मम्मी कभी बोलती है ना, अरे यार ठसको लगी क्यों. मम्मी गुजराती में नहीं बोलती है ठसका लग गया. तो तुमको लाइफ में ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं है. वाओ, ब्रिलियंट किड्स.
ये boy. मैं बस
अभी बंद कर दो भाई
The very important part of fairing, or very important points of fairing, is that it is a common passage for food and air. The pharynx has a epiglottis, a flap-like structure for the covering of the trachea when the food is passed to the esophagus. Clear? ये 2 पॉइंट्स फेरिंग्स के आंसर में नक्की कंपलसरी होने ही चाहिए. अगर ये 2 पॉइंट नहीं हुए तो तुम्हारा फेरिंग्स कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकता. फेरिंग्स के नीचे थोड़ा सा छोटा सा पार्ट आता है, दैट इज लैरिंग्स. लैरिंग्स तुम लोग का होता है मेनली द प्रोमिनेंट पार्ट, दैट इज एडम्स एप्पल. जो ये तुम्हारा एडम्स एप्पल है, एडम्स एप्पल एंड द लैरिंग्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ द वोकल कॉर्ड्स. These vocal cords are acting as a sound box. Why sound box? Because they generate the sound, the voice from the larynx. ये जो मैं बोल पा रही हूँ, तुम लोग बोल पा रहे हो, that is because of the larynx. Clear? Sure? After this larynx, another part which is extending is called as a trachea. So this entire is your trachea. Trachea is called as a windpipe. Trachea is guarded or it is lined by C-shaped ring cartilage. ऐसे रिंग कार्टिलेज होते हैं पूरे ट्रकिया में. अगर तुम लोग फील कर पाओगे तो देखो तुम्हारे नेक के पास तुम लोग को एक सी शेप एक के बाद एक रिंग बैंगल्स जैसा फील होगा. सो दैट इज योर ट्रकिया. ट्रकिया का काम क्या है? इधर पूरा ओ इधर. सो ये ट्रकिया डिस्टेंडेड रहता है परमानेंटली. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी नीड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. अपन जब नेक मूव कर रहे हैं, व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू स्पीक, वी नीड अ बिट ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड द trachea is always distended and it is only responsible for the passage of air. Now this trachea divides into bronchi. ये जो तुम्हारा फर्स्ट पार्ट है, ये फर्स्ट एंड ये, so it divides into left and right. Bronchi. This bronchi further divides into secondary bronchi. The secondary bronchi further divides to form tertiary bronchi. Tertiary bronchi further divided into minor bronchioles. ये ब्रोंकियल्स के बाद एंड में होता है ऐसे गोले जैसा स्ट्रक्चर where the